It's bedtime. Pinka was so sleepy she fell asleep. Who does she see in her dream? Billy and Betty. Kinka, what are you doing?
I'm packing, but, it's my pillow. Pinka is sleeping on my pillow.
Uh-oh, Kinka. You have Pinka's pillow in your bed, and she has your pillow in her bed.
That's okay. We can switch in the morning.
Where are you going, Kinka?
We're going on a trip through the magic tunnel. I have my hanky, my toothpaste and toothbrush, and, well, I will have my pillow.
The magic tunnel?
Yes, we can go anywhere from there.
I see. Oh, that is what Pinka is dreaming about. Sounds fun. Be careful and have a safe trip.
Thank you.